Have you ever noticed the more you chase something, the more it runs away from you? Love, success, opportunities. Why does it seem like the harder we try, the further they slip from our grasp? What if I told you you've been playing the game all wrong? What if rejection isn't your enemy, but the greatest tool you've never learned to use? Stick with me, because today I'm going to show you how to make rejection work for you instead of against you. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and today we're flipping the script on rejection. Let's begin. Listen, I know what rejection feels like. I've been there. The gut-wrenching sting when someone says, "You're not what we're looking for." The job that didn't call back. The love that never loved back. The opportunities that seemed so close, yet vanished. I used to take rejection personally, like it was some cosmic sign that I wasn't good enough. But here's the truth. Rejection is not a dead end. It's a redirection. Think about this. Why do people value what they can't have? Why does the forbidden seem more desirable? That's the power of reverse psychology. The more unbothered you appear, the more powerful you become. When you stop chasing, when you stop needing, the world starts chasing you. And that's what we're going to unlock today. Now let me ask you, have you ever texted someone, waited hours, even days, and got nothing in return? You double text, triple text, maybe even start questioning everything. Did I say something wrong? Did they lose interest? Let me hit you with some truth. People are wired to be drawn to mystery, to scarcity. When you flood someone's space with neediness, you're telling them you have nothing better going on. And that kills attraction. Instead, flip the script. Next time, don't text back right away. Live your life. Make them wonder where you are. And watch how quickly the tables turn. This applies to everything. Jobs, friendships, even business. Ever notice that the most successful people don't beg for opportunities? They create so much value that opportunities chase them. The moment you detach from the need for validation, people start valuing you more. Let me share a moment from my past. There was a time I was desperate to land a dream job. I did everything. Followed up, sent extra emails, tried to prove how perfect I was for the role. You know what happened? Silence. No response. But the day I stopped caring, the day I genuinely moved on and focused on building myself, another opportunity found me. A better one. One that made the rejection feel like a blessing. This is how life works. Rejection doesn't mean stop. It means redirect. It means the universe has something better, but only if you stop clinging to what's already slipping away. You have to be willing to walk away to gain control. Here's how you can use reverse psychology starting today. Detach from outcomes. The moment you stop needing something, you become magnetic. Whether it's relationships or opportunities, people are drawn to those who already feel whole. Make them chase. If you're too available, you lower your value. Pull back sometimes. Let others invest in you. Reframe rejection. Every no is making space for a bigger yes. Take it as a sign to pivot, not to quit. Be unpredictable. Predictability is boring. People crave excitement. Stop being an open book. Add some mystery to your presence. Now, here's something I want you to do. Think of a time when rejection hit you hard. A job, a relationship, a lost opportunity, anything. But instead of seeing it as a failure, reframe it. What did you gain from that rejection? Did it lead you to something better? Drop your experience in the comments. Let's see how many of you can turn your past rejections into future power. Let me leave you with this. The world follows those who lead themselves. Rejection is not a failure. It's a filter. A filter that removes the wrong people, the wrong paths, the wrong distractions. If you understand this, you'll never see rejection the same way again. So, next time someone rejects you, smile. Because they just gave you power. We're not done here. We meet tomorrow. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, stay sharp, stay unbothered, and let the world chase you.